Safe Citizen members, good morning to you. It's Sunday, July the 19th. And for our Monday morning reality check tomorrow, which I'll send out at 7 o'clock, I've decided to post a video because I'd like to get your attention. I want to make sure that I have your attention. In terms of campaigns to change public policy in South Africa, this is not my first rodeo. I've been at it since 2010. And one thing that I've learned is that when the government goes silent is not the time to relax. The government is currently silent about the Firearms Control Amendment Bill. They're currently silent about the changes to the SERA regulations for security officers, which will determine how security officers may possess and use firearms. And they have gone relatively quiet about the proposed changes with the QCTO and the firearm proficiency training regimen in this country. That set of standards that underpins the training for every single competency application to possess a firearm for any purpose in this country, certainly for civilians like you, in any case. So the message that I have for you this morning is that just because it's quiet at the moment, and we're not seeing a lot in the mainstream media about firearms and the government, don't make the mistake of thinking that the threat has gone away. Safe Citizen will stay vigilant. We will work with your associations to make sure that we keep you alerted and engaged and involved on all of the threats as they develop. But we need you to choose to stay involved. Please share this message with somebody today. Please share this message with a number of somebodies today. Please take a few minutes and set up a debit order or make a small donation to Safe Citizen. 20 Rand, 50 Rand, 100 Rand. Doesn't matter. Your commitment is important. Thank you for joining us as a member, and please share this with other people to encourage them to become a member of Safe Citizen. Stay in the fight, stay involved, be safe.